We are pleased to announce our newest tour, San Francisco and Houmas House Plantations and the finest Louisiana cuisine for lunch. Your travels will take you to the banks of the Mississippi River, beginning first with San Francisco Plantation. Built in 1856, this Gothic steamboat-style plantation is now part of America's national landmarks. After your guided tour, you'll be driven to Houmas House, the most elegant of all plantations, known as the Sugar Palace. Your guided tour is a spectacular visit through a time when cotton was king and sugar was the gold of the South. And for lunch, you'll dine in one of Houmas House's many elegant dining rooms to a unique cuisine that makes Louisiana's Cajun and Creole dishes known world over. Book your visit with Tours by Isabelle for the San Francisco and Houmas House Plantation Tour with lunch.